and economic ties. And regardless of the change in the situation in the world, we will continue to maintain our relations, and we continue to accord the highest priority to our relations with our neighbors. Thank you.
Third supplementary, Dr. M. Thambidurai.
Just I want to know from the Honorable Minister, through you, sir, China is not only encroaching the Indian economy for marketing their products. And also, sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister, the relationship which we are whether we having good relations, because Sri Lanka is the one of the issue, neighboring country. Now the new government has come over in Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka president came and met our Prime Minister also here and went to China also. When in these circumstances, there is already we are facing a lot of problem, Kachitub issue and fishermen issue suffering that. Whether China is going to go on influencing Sri Lanka, then what are the actions now the central government is taking to protect our fishermen and our Indian interest when Sri Lanka is making any problem for that? Because the relationship between China and Sri Lanka is going very high. It is a threatening to Indian thing for our Tamil people also. What is the
Honorable Minister,
they are going to take? Just want to.
So I'd like to reiterate that India's relationships with our neighboring countries are based on historical ties, culture exchanges, people-to-people contact, and old and ancient trade routes. Sir, regardless of what the other country in the world is doing, sir, we continue to accord highest priority to our relationship with our neighbors, and we continue to proceed on our development assistance and any other assistance that our neighbors require, including security assistance.
question hour over.
Sir,
Okay, complete.
Sir, he
Briefly.
raised a sensitive issue regarding the Sri Lankan fishermen, sir. So I would beg to remind the honorable member that this question is already
Briefly,
listed.
please, conclude.
It is already listed in the House.
Question hour over. Honorable members, I am seized of an undated notice for motion received on 13 December 2024, bearing 55 purported signatures of the members of the Rajya Sabha seeking removal